Well, hi everybody, and welcome to the next segment. Okay, I'm holding my phone near my mouth and talking through it, and we'll open up Collector shortly. You can see the Collector app here on my screen, right below Sudoku. All right, so we've made an online layer that we can edit and work from. So now, let me just show you what you see in Collector. As I open up this app, and I'm already signed in. You'll need to sign in with your ArcGIS credentials, but I'm just going to pull down with my finger and update, and as soon as I update, there is down here the Snow College roadway inventory like we created. So I'm going to open that up. It's going to zoom into where we're at, and you can see that I'm standing right outside the library here on Snow College campus. Now, Collector is really cool for a lot of different reasons, but let me just show you quickly a few things that you can do. So first, if you click on the More button, here there's like a measuring tool, okay, and you can measure by dropping a point, 2 points, and quickly measure things while you're out in the field. So that's kind of neat. You can also change the base map if you want a different base map. Maybe imagery would be good. I can click done, and here you get imagery. Okay, you can turn on and off different layers. Again, as I take away the more, right next to maps, there's kind of this circle with the target, and that'll help me zoom on to where I'm at and show myself is where I'm at. So that's just kind of a brief overview, and again, you can kind of pan around almost like Google Earth and explore. Okay, now let's get to the crux of it all. Let's add data. So I'm going to click the plus sign. Okay, now because we've set up this layer already, there's different things that we can add. So I can look through here and say, okay, as I walk around, I am at a warning sign right now. And so I'm going to click warning yellow. And now, because we added an editable field for notes, we can click on here, and I'm going to say that this is a crosswalk sign. And I will add that and click done. I want to add an image and have that option, so I'm going to click on image. As I add, I can go to my library, or I can take a photo. I'll take one and say use this photo. Okay, and now I can add that photo and click submit. Now it's going to take, depending on how good your service is, it takes a little bit of time for it to upload. I had to do some data collection out like 5 miles out of Salina, and I was using Collector, and boy, the battery in my phone just did not last. Okay, let's add. So right now I walked just a couple feet from this crosswalk sign, and I've gotten to a point where there's red curb paint, okay, for no parking. So I'm going to add a no parking red line. And for notes, I'm going to say library service area, where service vehicles here on campus are able to access some of the information here. So let me get to a good starting point for that roadway. I'm just going to walk along. Oops. Oh, and I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I clicked stream, and now I'm walking on to collect our line. Okay, now I'm going to pause that. We're still on our roadway, length 109 feet. Let me add an image. Okay, and I'm just going to grab a quick picture. I click done, and finally I'll submit that line type. So yeah, again, click on stream and then walk that line. That's a way to like manually walk yourself around. You can also like input things from the map, but we want to be in the field collecting it ourselves, so that's the method we'll use. And again, let's just zoom in. The lines aren't real crisp. Okay, I don't think I have great service here, and the point isn't exactly where I want it based off that base map. But we'll see how good you guys' information comes in. There are external GPS units that you can plug into your device that help increase accuracy, and I'm hoping that we can be working with one of those soon, and you can try those out. But as for today, we'll just use the best that our phone has. Hey, I hope this was helpful again, and that you're able to work through this. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.